Welcome to Phone Transformer, where today we are going to show you how to access deleted pictures on Android so you can recover your favorite memories. It is a quick and simple process that anyone can follow, so now let's get started. For step 1, you need to open the Google Photos app on your device, which serves as the primary hub for managing and storing all of your digital images. This app is usually pre-installed on most Android phones and is the most reliable place to look for files that have recently disappeared from your main gallery. In step 2, look at the bottom navigation bar and tap on the collection icon to view your organized folders and various storage categories. This section is important because it moves you away from your main feed and into the deeper management settings where hidden or archived content is kept. For step 3, you will need to locate and tap the trash option, which is situated near the top left corner of the collections interface. This folder acts as a safety net by temporarily holding files before they are permanently erased from your phone's storage forever. In step 4, you can browse through all of your deleted photos and easily restore them to your library by long pressing on each image you want to keep. This recovery feature is essential for fixing accidental deletions, but remember that items are usually only stored here for 60 days before being purged. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tips